heading out on the bike trail. This is a paved trail to get to the bike trail. So I'm here in the Florida woods in Jupiter at Jonathan Dickinson State Park. Let's go. We're riding out here, Jonathan Dickinson State Park, mountain biking where there's no mountains. It's hills in Florida. Look, there's bobcats, mountain lions, rattlesnakes, and alligators. Watch out for the cactus. Don't want to be out here. You got to be portraying native Floridian to be out here. Bears. And what a Brightline. Brightline's out here.
Brightline coming through. They're honking on us to get off the trail.
That's where I just was, and that's where I rode all the way to here.